My name's Sterling Hawkins, and I run the Center for Advancing Retail Technology, also CART. It's a platform that connects retailers and brands with innovation, like really cool stuff. So I'm a retailer. My family has a supermarket in central New York, and I grew up there. And it was great when I was a kid because we knew customers by name, we could extend them credit, we knew their likes, their dislikes, everything about them, just from the human interaction. And as retail's grown as an industry, we've lost a lot of that. What technology is now enabling us to do is to bring that personalization, that customization, that experience of one-on-one with the consumer, just enabled by technology so it can happen at scale. Traditional retail has an amazing thing, which is their stores. Okay, they've spent years finding the exact right place to put their stores to be around the customers that want to buy their stuff. So traditional retail has this huge opportunity now to leverage that footprint, just more integrated with technology, to better service their consumers. It's a different model for retail, but it's one that's for sure coming. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of tools, and not just software, right? We're looking at robotics and 3D printing and all kinds of technology. And I think the key to it is that when you see companies like Amazon and more traditional pure play e-commerce players opening stores but doing so in new formats with new kinds of technologies, it's those guys that are kind of setting the trend for what retail can become. And they're using the technology to give sometimes their employees, sometimes the digital screens in store, digital experiences and data so they can better serve their customers. Retail looks different in the future, but there's still stores. So there's tons of different retail technologies out there we're looking at. In the last 6 months, I've talked to most corporate venture groups in the fast-moving consumer goods space. I've talked to financial investors, and we've got a bunch of our own diligence that we've done. And I think the opportunity boils down to 3 key areas. Technologies that are perceptive, so they know the context they're in, they know who they're talking to, they know where they are. They're perceptive, they're understanding, again, who they are, and they're using big data to better personalize things. And they're present, they're delivering the products to the consumers where the consumers want them. Well, you guys are awesome. Like, Seamless has a great team of people, and there's been really interesting attendees from retailers to technology companies. Everybody's been great to talk to, and they're also really looking at what's next in retail, and that's cool to see in Asia. Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.